All right, here we go. Let's see here. Today we're going to install this LiftMaster. It's called a Bridge Rectifier kit. It goes into a machine like this. That's what it looks like. We just gotta take it apart. You got a 1/2 inch there on top on front, and you got 2 more on the side. One there. Supposed to be 2 there, but apparently there's 1 missing. See? So those are 2 pieces that come off. You got to take that off and replace it. That's what the part number is. And I'll show you what it looks like inside. Let me open the box up. Oops. I'm trying to do this one-handed. That's all it is right there. It does, it corrects the voltage in the unit. There's 4 plug-ins and a screw. That's all it is. Crazy. Something that little can mess up the gate. And impact, 1/2 inch. Don't lose those. Got 1 more over here. I'll have to put those in one spot. Gives you an idea of what it looks like. So there's the, got to take that off, turn the power off. But what we're changing out today is right there. See that little bitty 4 wires? Those orange ones and red and a black one right there? We're going to take that off and replace it. So we got to turn the power off. Should be some screws right here. Take one there, and that plastic comes off. Unscrew those and those. Set that to the side. I'm going to open the gate so people can come in and out. So we hit open. And once it opens, I'm going to unplug it and turn it off so people can drive back and forth while I'm working on this. Because once I turn the power off, you won't be able to get in and out. And there we go. Turn that off. Turn that off. Unplug this. This turns all the power off. So turn it off, and this is off. These are actually hot too. So what this little thing here does is it corrects the voltage from your power. This is, you can do a 110 or 220, but this is a 110 hookup. And the power from here and your batteries, it regulates everything in the motherboard. And this here controls how many voltage it has. It's supposed to, you know, produce back and forth. It regulates it. So all we gotta do now is get a screwdriver. We got one right here. Will be Phillips. Take that screw out. I'm gonna get y'all over here. All I did was take that screw out and do it. All I'm gonna do is plug and play, same spots like it was. See up there on top says positive and ACC stuff out there on top. Just follow, get that one, replace it, and bolt it back on there and turn all the power back on. get on the package if I can. There we go. See, it's all it is right here. You just match it with this one. Here's the old one. New one's in. All you now is put that screw back in there and that's it. Up against there. It's that simple. Whoops. Man, so tight little squeeze. That's it, guys. We'll put this old one back in the package. And show you what it looks like. See? Whoop, focus. There it is. See, plug and play. It's all you gotta do. And of course, here's the motor. And you just turn everything back on. Can y'all see that right there? Hopefully y'all can see that pretty good. There we go. Now we just turn everything back on. Plug it in. It's gonna beep. Should beep any time. There it goes. That's normal. Alrighty, now we're just waiting for it to do its thing. Power back on. And now it should open and close now without having any interruptions. There we go. It's closing. This should be good to go now, guys. But that's pretty simple though. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all back together now and test it a few times, make sure everything works, and we're out of here. So first things first, we're going to put this back on there. Alrighty, put back on there. Cut that up. That's all we needed that for. All we need is this back up. Put this up. Now we're going to tuck this one here. Normally you put this back piece on first, but since they got those pipes in there, they cut them like that, so it's easier to do it this way. Just like so. Line your hose back up. My butterfingers can do it. There we go. That one don't like it for some reason. Yeah, goes in by hand. That's it, fellas. Now we just test it. It's back on there now. See, the bolts are back in there. Same ones we had. I was missing one when I got here, so that's what it looks like now. So now it's open and close it a few times and we can get out of here. Hey, button's working, which is good. Nice. Open and closing. That's good, guys. Now we're just inside the old vehicle. There's that big old gate. We installed this gate years ago. It's just that motor is having voltage problems. Not sure what caused it, but we replaced that little part. And it's working, which is real good. But that's how you change that out if anybody wants to know how to do it. But it was having electrical voltage problems. And that's what caused it, a little bitty part. But it's working though.